Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Learning. In today's lesson, we will practice an English conversation about life goals. This conversation will help you learn useful vocabulary, improve your speaking skills, and understand how to talk about your dreams and future plans. Let's begin. Hi, Daniel. It's nice to see you.
Hi, Emma. It's great to see you too. How have you been?
I've been doing well. How about you?
I'm good. I've been thinking a lot about my future these days.
Really? What have you been thinking about?
I've been thinking about my life goals.
That's an interesting topic. Everyone should have life goals.
I agree. Goals give us direction.
Exactly. Without goals, it's easy to lose motivation.
Emma, what is your biggest life goal?
My biggest goal is to become a successful teacher
That's wonderful. Why do you want to become a teacher?
because I love helping people learn new things.
That's a great reason.
I believe education can change lives.
I completely agree.
What about you?
I want to become a software engineer.
That sounds exciting.
I've always enjoyed computers and technology.
Technology is growing very fast.
Yes, and there are many opportunities in that field.
Are you studying computer science?
Yes, I'm taking online courses and practicing coding every day.
That's impressive.
Learning takes time, but I enjoy the process.
Consistency is very important.
Exactly. Small progress every day leads to big success.
That's a great mindset. Have you ever felt discouraged?
Of course, sometimes I feel like giving up.
What do you do when that happens?
I remind myself why I started.
That's a good habit.
I also watch motivational videos and read inspiring books.
Those things really help.
Yes, they give me energy to continue.
Do you think talent is more important than hard work?
No, I think hard work is more important.
I feel the same.
Talent is helpful, but hard work brings results.
Many successful people worked very hard.
Exactly.
Success doesn't happen overnight.
It requires patience and dedication.
What habits help you achieve your goals?
I wake up early.
That's a good habit.
I also make a daily schedule.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise every morning.
Exercise keeps both the body and mind healthy.
I also avoid wasting time on unnecessary things.
That's smart.
Does your family support your dreams?
Yes, my parents always encourage me.
That's wonderful.
They believe in me even when I doubt myself.
Support from family is very important.
Absolutely.
My family supports me too.
You're lucky.
Yes, and I'm very grateful.
Do you have any financial goals?
Yes, I want to save money and become financially independent.
That's a wise goal.
I don't want to depend on others forever.
Financial freedom gives peace of mind.
Exactly.
Do you want to travel someday?
Absolutely.
Which country would you like to visit first?
I'd love to visit Japan
Why Japan?
because of its beautiful culture, technology, and delicious food.
That sounds amazing.
What about you?
I'd like to visit Switzerland.
The mountains there are beautiful.
Yes, I've always dreamed of seeing them.
Besides your career, do you have another goal?
Yes,
What is it?
I want to help underprivileged children receive a good education.
That's a very kind goal.
Everyone deserves a chance to learn.
I agree completely.
Health is also important.
Absolutely.
Without good health, it's difficult to achieve any goal.
That's true.
I try to eat healthy food every day.
I should improve my eating habits.
It's never too late to start.
One of my goals is to speak English fluently.
That's one of my goals too.
How do you practice?
I watch English videos.
Anything else?
I read English books and practice speaking every day.
That's excellent.
Practice makes progress.
I'll remember that.
What would you do if you failed?
I would learn from my mistakes.
That's the best attitude.
Failure teaches valuable lessons.
Exactly.
Every successful person has faced failure.
The important thing is to keep moving forward.
Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
I hope to be a successful teacher, own a comfortable home, and live a happy life.
That sounds wonderful.
What about you?
I hope to build useful technology, travel the world, and support my family.
I'm sure you can do it.
Thank you.
Just stay focused and keep working hard.
Today's conversation inspired me.
Me too.
Talking about goals makes me feel motivated.
The first step is believing in yourself.
The second step is taking action.
Exactly.
Dream big.
Work hard.
Stay positive.
Never stop learning.
And never give up.
Success comes to those who keep trying.
I believe that.
Let's promise to work toward our goals every day.
Deal.
Good luck with your dreams.
Thank you. Good luck with yours too.
See you next time.
See you.
Great job. You have completed today's English conversation about life goals. Practice this dialogue several times to improve your English speaking, listening, pronunciation, and confidence. If you enjoyed this lesson, like, share, and subscribe to Daily English Learning for more beginner-friendly English conversations every week. Keep learning, keep practicing, and never stop chasing your goals. See you in the next lesson.